Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch off your iPhone 15 Pro Max in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way, it's going to be using your volume up, which is this middle button right here, and then this side button. What you need to do is press and hold both of the buttons at the same time for about a few seconds until a menu like this pops up, and then you can simply slide to power off or switch off. Now another method is on iOS 18 or newer version, you can pull down this control menu and there's a power button up top here. You can press and hold, which will open up a menu similar to the previous one. You can simply slide to switch it off again. Now another method is by going through your settings and then going through general, scroll all the way down, it says shutdown, and the same exact menu will pop up where you can go ahead and switch off. Now let's say maybe the buttons aren't working or you can't use the touch screen. If you have Hey Siri turned on already, you can see here you can activate Siri to go ahead and switch off your phone by issuing a command like this: Hey Siri, switch off my iPhone. Yes. And basically it will ask you to confirm after you want to switch off, and it will go ahead and switch it off for you just like that. And now to switch it back on, of course, you want to go ahead and hold on to this big side button until you see the Apple logo appear, just like this. You're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear and let go. Or if that isn't working, you can go ahead and connect it to a charger that'll also kick the phone to switch back on if it's already switched off. So that's how you switch off and on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.